Hey, Shawnee from SpeedCubeReview.com. I just got a package from SpeedCube Shop, and it is the new VinCube 4x4, or the 4x4 version 2. They're calling it the Vin 4x4 V2 Apex. And 4x4, if I'm going to speed solve, is my favorite puzzle to speed solve, even more than 3x3. Feel like there's a lot more you can do with 4x4. I like that it's not just going to be, at my current state, like 10 to 15 seconds to solve, that I have a lot of variety. Got a bag and a hefty screwdriver. That's what they've given in the past. So I'll leave the bag out. It'll be nice to keep it in a bag. Some things, let's compare it to the MoYu and the Gan. Now, this is ultra shiny. Like, this feels like it's a hefty coat of UV, which I like. Size-wise, it is smaller than the Gan. It's more comparable to the Weilong, and this one, I believe, was like 58, maybe 59. So this is under 60 for sure. Let me check it out and look it up to make sure I'm correct with this. 58 millimeters. Yeah. So the Apex is the highest level one. They also have one called the Surge and the Sprint. The Apex has 160 magnets, the Surge has 112, and the Sprint has 96. I'm just looking at this one today because might as well look at the top one. As far as turning, it's a little bit sluggish without any lubrication. And this is one that I feel like lubrication would actually make it faster. It's also a little bit loose for me. If you look at this one, you can see how far that spreads apart compared to this. I feel like there's a lot of chance for possible catching or locking. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten it just a little bit and then add some lunar. Actually, let me do a solve without it first. This is such a hefty screwdriver. Yeah, let's do a standard solve. I will go on. That matches the image. Good. A little bit of catching there. Yeah, I need lubrication here, so it's kind of dry. And then a car drives real loud down the road. Okay. So lunar for sure. Now, it moved fairly fine, but there was some internal... Let's try it again. Okay. I need actually a little bit more lubrication. I mean, remember, there are 92 moving parts, I believe. There's about 20 moving parts on a 3x3. 4x4, it jumps all the way to like 92. So it might eat a bit of lubrication at first. Yeah, this really does want to eat lubrication. Yeah, I'm stopping at that much. That seems like a lot. So let me do a solve back on the WRM. And compare that. This reminds me. This reference is going to go over so many people's heads. This reminds me of the MoYu AoLong versus the Kung Fu. It feels like these are very similar, but this is a lot smoother. And again, I've done hundreds of more solves on it. The magnets are not very strong. Like, I can feel them on here a lot stronger than that. This has that lighter feeling to it. I almost want to say Yushin as well, like the Yushin blue. So, as far as between these, I will likely use the Weilong a bit more, just because I'm used to it. Smoothness as in controllability, speed and flexibility. This VinCube is somewhere in the middle. I still haven't got the setup right. I feel like it could work really well. It's just not there quite yet. So I'm curious what it's going to be like after maybe 100, 200 solves, but currently it feels like it really needs a lot of breaking in to get it smoothed out. So no more lubrication, now just a bunch of solves. But it is available right now, so definitely check it out. If you get just the Surge version instead of 41, it's $31.95. The AoSu V7 is $40 for the double track. This one's currently the triple track, which is at $55. So cheaper for the higher end model, and even the slightly lower one than that. Kind of wish I had more right now I could say definitively on it, but it's very subjective. I feel like it's not a perfect cube, but it has a different feeling than the other flagships that are out there, and you could get a very similar experience on it for sure. And I love the size. 58 millimeters is great. So thank you very much for watching. Hit like, subscribe for more content like this in the future, and as always, keep following SpeedCube Review for more news and reviews.